Hello and warm welcome to Popdock Query Builder. Query Builder allows you to create list that will query Business Central table. I'm going to show how to create this list. I am under the Business Center connector, list, adding a list. Selecting a group for the list. Query Builder interface. Item ledger entity table. Fields for the table. Once I have selected all my fields, I can go to the field and select those fields under the default field sections. I can order them how I would like to view them in the list. And I go ahead and publish this. While this is publishing, I would like to open additional tab in Chrome. And bring this list. Super, I have my list. Now I would like to filter my query. I would like to filter all the records that has a location code in it. So let's go back to the query. Select the location code. Add a restriction. Does not equal empty. Publish. Is published. Let's go and refresh this list. Now I have records with the location codes only. Now I would like to make a summary for the quantity of records. I have 26 inventory and I would like to make a summary for the quantity. For this, I go back to the query once again, create summary for the table. Once I have made sum for the quantity, I can publish once again, refresh. So I have item quantity summary here, and I can see 22 records for this. I would like to add additional table to my query. I can see a relationship is created by default. It's a left join and the relation built with the primary key item number for the ledger entry and number for the item table. Selecting an additional field for the item. I would like to add this field on my default list. I have the item description. If you have a item inventory dimensions, you can add item dimensions here. This should be for dimension set ID. Those are added as you see. We can add a calculated field to our query. I name it uppercase. Under the add function is a string function. We have all function available as usual you would find in Excel. Super. Let's go ahead and publish this. Before that, I can also validate my function. It looks good. Let's go ahead and publish this and see how it looks. So item description in uppercase. Next, I would like to see the related order line for this item, and I will show how to create this. Go back to the query builder, and I have a key field option to add item num. Once we add key field, we'll have detail sales line for the item. I'd like to view as a list. Display method, I would like to select is drill down on the page. Company, this goes under sales. Sales line. We can add filter for this. So sales order number equals item number. Save this, and we go ahead and publish this now once again. In the list, I right click on the item code and it bringing item sales lines. Now I can see item order number.